skin is dry, your hair feels brittle, and the smell of chlorine in your morning shower is starting to get under your skin. You see an ad for a high-tech shower head that promises to fix everything with a fancy filter system. This is the pitch for the IonDrops Shower Head, a product that is everywhere right now. It claims to use something called tri-action filtration to remove fluoride, heavy metals, and even bacteria. On top of that, the company says it will cut your water bill by 30%. It sounds like a total win for your wallet and your vanity. However, when you look at the actual science they claim to use, things get a little weird. They mention reverse osmosis as part of the process. In the world of water purification, reverse osmosis is a heavy hitter. It usually requires a lot of pressure and a complex system of membranes and tanks. Trying to fit that technology into a small plastic handle that you hold in your hand is a very tall order. It raises a lot of questions about what is actually inside those filter beads. While the website for this brand has been online since early 2022, which gives it more credibility than a brand new scam site, the customer feedback is where the real red flags appear. If you head over to independent review sites, the story changes from glowing testimonials to a bit of a nightmare. Many people have reported being trapped in unexpected subscription cycles. Some customers were shocked to find charges for over $400 on their bank statements for filters they did not realize they were ordering. That is a huge amount of money for a bathroom accessory. There are also frequent complaints about the build quality of the device itself. Users have described the material as cheap plastic that does not live up to the premium price tag. Others say the water settings are so aggressive they feel like a pressure washer rather than a relaxing rain shower. Getting a refund seems to be just as difficult as dealing with the water pressure. Many people feel frustrated by a lack of response from the support team when they try to return the product. It is a perfect example of why you should never take a sales page at face value. Always look for independent testing or certifications before you believe a filter can remove 99% of contaminants. If you do decide to try it, watch that checkout page like a hawk. Make sure there are no hidden recurring charges buried in the fine print. Your morning routine should be a time of peace, not a source of financial stress and customer service battles. Be smart, stay skeptical, and keep your eyes open for those sneaky subscription traps that turn a simple purchase into a long-term headache. Take a second look at those claims before you hand over your credit card information. True water filtration is a complex process, and sometimes, if a solution looks too easy and too cheap, it probably is. Your hair and skin deserve the best, but your bank account deserves protection too. Don't let a flashy social media ad wash away your better judgment when it comes to home upgrades.